Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we have a sneaker unboxing and I'm on the road to 100 subs, so please hit that subscribe button. Today we are unboxing the Nike Air Max 270 React. Here are some shots of the box. Pretty standard box. It's got some cool little logos on it though. What is pretty cool about this box is got some embossed little Air logos, as you can see here, that are pretty sick. And yeah, that's pretty much the box, so let's crank out the sneakers. Alright, starting it off with the tongue, we got a stitched in Air 270 React logo. Looks pretty sick. The material that makes up the upper is kind of like this plasticky mesh. It's kind of weird, but it's alright. And of course, as the name suggests, you got that nice React midsole. Super nice underfoot. And then here on the medial side, pretty much the same thing. The bottom of these guys has got a super nice thick rubber outsole, which is going to be really good for traction. And the second shoe is the exact same as the first shoe. Alright, now we're moving on to the on feet. Let me know what you guys think of these in the comments below.